Have you ever wondered if Southern California is a good winter destination for RVers? We used to think it was all crowds and chaos, but it turns out there's a whole other side to it. Today, we're taking you through our hometown to show you some of the best beachfront RV spots you can actually stay at. It's the kind of place where mornings start with the sound of waves and evenings under the palm-lit sunsets. We've been boondocking, so maybe some of those skills rubbed off for Brian to parallel park with this giant truck.
Like a glove.
I know, that was perfect. I thought it was going to be a couple more. I'd have more to say, but I guess we're done. We're here at the beach. Dog beach, the best kind of beach.
Our RV is still in the shop getting its warranty work done. We thought we'd show you around Huntington Beach to show you one of the places that you could get away from winter. We're going to take the next few days to cruise around Huntington and show you some of the RV parks, show you some of the downtown area, have some food, let you see what it's all about.
Did you see that dog? He's on a long leash and he just went after a bird. You just saw the leash like snap and the dog running and then the bird flying and then her running after the dog. Complete chaos.
There's actually a dog beach in Huntington. It's probably one of our favorite places to go, especially on the weekend if you've got a dog that's really friendly with other dogs. Everybody brings all their dogs down here and lets them all play together, have a good time, run in the water. Little dogs, big dogs, fat dogs, old dogs.
And not every beach allows dogs on the sand, so you just need to double check in California where you can take your dog, but referred to as Dog Beach. I think that's really what it's called, right? It is Dog Beach, that stretch?
I think so.
It's huge. It's pretty wide. It's not a tiny little spot, so you could actually get some exercise, go for a jog or a walk with your dog, or just throw the ball and sit on the towel. That's our favorite place. Just come down. We don't even have a dog. We just like to just enjoy other people's dogs and the shenanigans they get into.
This is the only way to get some type of dog therapy to where we don't end up getting a dog ourselves.
If you do come down here, you may get a dog that's very friendly, kind of leaning against you, getting salt water and sand and fur all over you. So as long as you don't mind that, it's a good time. Little loafs running around, little wiggle butts.
Dog Beach isn't far from Main Street or the Huntington Beach Pier, so you're not really removed from kind of the downtown area, and you could always stop by with your dog and then cruise down a little bit farther and grab a bite to eat. A lot of the restaurants are dog friendly. Alright, so we're down here at the pier, which I mentioned the other day was just about a mile from Dog Beach. We just kind of hang out on the pier, watch the surfers. People are running around the beach, having a good time. There's a lot of people out today.
My favorite thing to do at the pier is to come down here a little bit later in the evening and watch the sunset, because there's nothing in your way, and it is the best spot to watch that sun go down. There's plenty of places to get hot cocoa or a coffee on Main Street as well. It rarely rains here, kind of a complaint. It'll rain everywhere else, every other little town around, but Huntington Beach just for some reason never rains.
I was just looking at one of the sailing apps we had. The way that the wind is coming from the north right now, a landmass that projects into the water a little bit more in the swoop of Los Angeles and Southern California, it creates an empty pocket
Oh.
And so it stays warmer down here and less windy and cooler.
I freaking knew it.
So if you get to the end of the pier, there's an oyster company.
Ooh, shrimp and fries. What? Fried clams, fried seafood platter, onion rings, and Chad's coleslaw.
Where's Chad? Sandy's Beach Shack. What are we getting?
Fish and chips, naturally.
The food here has always been really good. You could even come here for brunch, and there are brunch menu changes, and I've done that a few times. It's really good.
That's good.
It's only a quarter of a mile to the RV park.
Which is great for when you hit up all those bars on Main Street.
What's one of the things that you've loved about this area?
It's just a nice spot to come down without a plan and a couple friends. Live music by the pier. There's a ton of different surf competitions year-round because the surf is good year-round. The US Open is actually here as well.
All right, so we're down here at the RV park that's closest to the pier. Before we ever had the opportunity to go travel and stuff like that, when I would cruise by this RV park, I would have a little resentment in my heart because I wanted to be somebody that could actually come down here, throw my home up by the beach, be no more than 20 feet away from the sand. There's two places to RV around here, this being one. The other is Bolsa Chica State Park.
So this one closer to Main Street is obviously better for nightlife, dining, getting with the people, mingling and having a good time. And the one on Bolsa Chica, that one's probably for nature lovers or if you want some quiet.
Looks like you got a spot. And then everybody either leaves a space next to them like you normally would, so you can...
Yeah, the yellow is for the spot.
Ah, I see.
And then the white, that's when they have it just for regular parking. So you get technically 6 parking spots for a big bus.
Nice.
Big rig.
It's kind of hard to do an episode on a place that you used to live because everything is relatively normal for you. And I don't think it was until we hit the road or started sailing that we understood what kind of amazing things we had at our doorstep all the time.
During the winter, you can do whatever the hell you want. Yeah, it's a little chilly, but it's not frozen over with ice and everything. And now that we've traveled to some of those places, I can really see why this place is so amazing during the winter.
Yeah.
When you take a stroll down Main Street, it has that beachy small town vibe, with surf shops and bikini shops, in case you forgot yours, taco spots that have legendary fish tacos, local breweries, all in walking distance, and with a little bit of surf history. Huntington Beach is like a real California postcard, except with seagulls actually stealing your French fries. Here at Bolsa Chica, you can wake up to ocean views literally just steps away from your RV. These sites have you covered with water and power hookups, and they're super clean. And they're right along the bike path, which stretches for miles down the coast. Real talk.
Real talk. It's a beautiful beach. It's super clean. It's extremely long. You can watch your kids, if you've got kids, run down the beach for a mile and still keep an eye on them. And by the time they come back, they'll be ready for lunch and a nap. A cool thing that I find in Bolsa Chica State Beach, I just can't stop it today. One of the cool things that I find about Bolsa Chica State Beach is you can easily find a surf school here. If you've ever wanted to learn how to surf, this is the perfect place to do it. The waves are a couple feet long. There's no pressure from anybody else out here. Usually the people that are out here are learning themselves or just longboarders that are here to enjoy the day and hang out.
And if you already do know how to surf, you can just rent a board and do it on your own.
Yeah, that makes it pretty sweet.
And if you want to come down here for the whole summer, they have summer camps for your kid.
Even though Bolsa Chica State Beach is close to PCH, which is kind of one of the major highways, the ocean really kicks down the noise level and quiets it down. During the nighttime, it really, traffic calms down, goes away, you'll never notice it. Plus, if you're staying here at the beach, you should be on the beach pretty much all day.
We forgot to mention one of the coolest things about Bolsa Chica State Beach.
What's that?
The frickin' wetlands. One of the reasons why it's so quiet is that there's a natural reserve, the wetlands, buffering between you and the neighborhoods. And you can check out the wetlands. There's a ton of trails there and a bunch of really cool creatures to go check out. Yeah, I love the wetlands. I can't get enough of them.
We love creatures.
Yeah, I love creatures.
Even if you want to come down here to Bolsa Chica State Beach, you can come down just for the weekend. You can come down for a long-term stay. Definitely get a hold of them a few weeks before you want to come down here. Spots do book up really quick, as I'm sure you can understand why. It's by the beach, man. And it's winter time, and it's 80.
During the winter, oh my gosh, me versus hiccups right now. So when you come to Huntington in December and you want to hang out outside, we got Central Park with a bunch of parks, picnic areas. You have the wetlands, which is great to see just nature and birds to go hiking. And there is the harbor where you can rent kayaks and paddleboards and hang out on the beach without any waves. Done!
Before we go, we both really wanted to say thank you for everybody that's been following us along this year. We wanted to wish you a Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays wherever you are.
Yeah, Merry Christmas, Happy Hanukkah, Happy New Year. However you celebrate the last couple weeks of the year, do it your way. And our hearts are with you. Thanks, guys.
Thanks. We'll see you guys in the new year.
Oh, yeah, we will.
Yeah.
Wow. I didn't realize that till right now.